Become the Everyday Millionaire.
Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Alfonso Quadra. I love it too. You love real estate and you love to travel and you love hosting events. And that's what we're here to talk about.
I love it. I love it. I always say this to the people at our events. My wife and I, we like to take 11 vacations per year. Yeah. And it's all possible because of real estate, because of the portfolio we've built, the time we've created. And a lot of people tend to invest based on what's going on right now. Mm-hmm. We have never invested based on whatever crisis, whatever situation was going on at the moment. We just kept investing because we had a long-term vision, and that vision has come true. And now we travel all over the world. We travel all over North America, sharing exactly what we've done. And there's no better time to do this than right now. And if you guys are taking a pause, if you're in a bit of a lull, if you are saying, I'm going to wait to see what happens, this, that, the other, you're making a big, big mistake. And that's what the event is that's coming up on the 18, 19, and 20, right in the heart of the best real estate province right now in all of Canada, Alberta, Calgary, Alberta. They just finished up their Stampede. What do you say, sir?
Well, listen, I'm a big fan. As you know, I'm very bullish on Alberta. I continue to be. And, the education is so interesting, isn't it, Alfonso, is that we've talked about this many times. Through different cycles, you get boom cycles, you get slump cycles, of course, then you get the recovery cycle. And right now, depending on where you are in Alberta, things have slowed down in Calgary. They continue to pick up in Edmonton. Lethbridge continues to be strong. Red Deer, we see some future. The point is though, we're hosting the event in Calgary, but it's going to educate and teach people about not only the economic fundamentals, but the actual in the trenches. This is how you do it. It's 3 days, learn how to invest in real estate. And in spite of the headlines, this is it takes a little bit of courage, but it's such a mental game that we have to play, because you said it. You're not investing based on what's happening today. We want to look into the future, because real estate is about the future. It's not about today. Yet the headlines shut people down. So it's all to say this. Both of us have been doing this a very long time. We've been through these cycles, and we watch the psychology of people as they get off. They stand on the sidelines. Hell, they don't even stand on the sidelines. They go into the bleachers, and it's like, yeah. And this is the time. Here's where opportunities exist, where you can come in, solve other people's problems, which means opportunities for you. And you can actually create that financial future investing in real estate the right way in a chaotic, even down cycle. That's the time you want to get in, Alfonso.
100%. When I look back on my 30-year career, business, investing in real estate, and as an educator, every downturn, every economic downturn, every crisis, every bubble bursting, every COVID, whatever, we were able to take massive leaps forward. And that's what these times are about. My wife and I right now, even though we just came back from Tokyo, Japan, and we are on our way back to El Salvador for a couple of weeks with the family. And then when we come back, we're on our way to the Azores, Portugal, the Azores for another 3 weeks. We're still taking massive action. We are building 1,000 doors using the MLI Select program. We are buying, value add properties. We just put another 24 unit under contract. We are taking action. And that's what these 3 days are about. We call it the Real Estate Investor Accelerator, because we're going to take you to the next level. You're going to take leaps and bounds forward. We're going to teach you the top 10 strategies that you need to be applying today in order to maximize and optimize your opportunities right now. We're going to, Patrick is going to come with the economic updates. We're going to talk about building your real estate portfolio as an actual business. We're going to talk about multifamily. That's my game. As you know,
Yeah.
this is what I do. And different times require different strategies. What worked before doesn't work anymore. And so we have to adapt to what's happening and have a view into the future. And it's multifamily. Not only that, we're going to teach you how to build multifamily through land development using the MLI Select program. We're going to show you how to do this with other people's money, raising capital. Some people say, well, multifamily, where am I going to get the money? Well, we're going to show you how to do this ethically, responsibly, and legally. There's a lot of rhetoric out there on how to do this, but we show people how to do it the right way. And for the people that are curious about investing in the US, we'll bring some of that content as well. We're going to show you how to take the same strategies that we're applying here in Canada and apply them to other countries, including the US. So it's a jam-packed, intensive 9 to 5, 3 days boot camp. Like we're talking about, get your, bring your most comfortable clothes and just be relaxed there for 3 days, because when Patrick and I get on stage, there's nothing but value. People just walk out of those 3 days just blown away. And I'm excited for that. July 18th, 19th, 20th.
And listen, we have lots of fun along the way, and it's a great team, and we love what we do. But there's a fundamental, let's go back to all of the economic conversations that are going on, and tariffs and Trump this and Carney that, and all of the things that are happening. We're aware of that. But here's the thing about it, is that when you start to learn how to invest in real estate, because some might be going, well, this is too risky. Real estate's too risky. Well, the thing about it is that in these environments, and through the education that you get, through the learning, you start to understand how to actually mitigate risk. And this comes back to understanding the fundamentals of investing, understanding how to put the deals together so that you're actually mitigating risk, that you have that long-term vision, so that you're bringing and negotiating deals in a really impactful way, so that the risk side of the equation gets minimized, because you understand how to get the right financing in place, how to put the right tenants in place, how to get the deals done, where and why you want to invest. And that's such a critical part about understanding that you're not just arbitrarily buying the first building that shows up. You're actually understanding how to do the diligence, how to negotiate the deal, how to get the deal done, and how to mitigate risk. So, think about it from a phase of, whenever you're into the world of investing in anything, there's always some risk. There's the upside, but with the upside comes risk. But learning how to mitigate the risk is critical. And that's what we're going to be also talking about on that weekend.
Calgary. They just finished their stampede. Hopefully everybody's not hungover. Yeah, we already have a packed house, and I can't wait to join these folks in Calgary, 18, 19, 20. We did an event a couple of weeks ago, and you came in virtually, but you're going to be there live. We've done so many events together. It's an amazing tag team of
I love collaborating. I like bringing communities together, the RAIN community, Wealth Genius community. You take all of what we do and expand on it even more. One of your favorite words is expand. Yes. And so the link is in the description to where you can register. I don't know that I put discount codes in there. Do you know the discount code off the top of your head, Alfonso?
I don't know the discount code, but I know that your community gets a massive discount.
Yes.
And, I think, so this boot camp, I'll tell you this, $1,900. I think for your community, it's about $87.
Yeah.
Take advantage, guys. $87. That's less than dinner for two. In fact, $87 for two people. It's a no-brainer, right? You can go, after the stampede, make some time available for that weekend, and just invest into yourself. That's the best investment. That's what Warren Buffett said. The best investment he'd ever made was the one he'd made on himself. And these are the times to do it.
And given the pricing structure that we put together for the RAIN community, your biggest investment in yourself is your time. We've priced this so that it is available for anybody who wants to just spend the time.
No obstacles,
No
no
obstacles.
excuses. Don't come and talk to us, 2 years from now and tell us, oh, shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Coulda, woulda.
I mean, people should all over themselves.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you got to take action.
This many years later, we've heard that coulda, shoulda, how many times? Thousands,
Yes.
Hundreds for sure. Alfonso, thanks for joining me today. Rain community or anybody listening in, make sure that you get registered. Join us in Calgary, July 18th, 19th, and 20th. We'll see you there. Thanks, Alfonso.
Be there or be square.